One S11. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a good cordless choice. It delivers powerful smart cleaning with its iLoop dust sensor that automatically adjusts suction up to 130 watts for efficient debris pickup on carpets and hard floors. Its 450-watt motor provides robust airflow, outperforming many cordless vacuums in sealed suction tests while maintaining quieter operation at 60 decibels. The vacuum's 4-stage HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ideal for allergy sufferers. A 40-minute runtime with detachable battery support ensures extended cleaning sessions, and the LED-lit brush head illuminates hidden dirt in low-light areas. The included multi-surface attachments, like a crevice tool and mini power brush, enhance versatility for stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. While the floor head occasionally struggles with rug tassels, the self-adjusting suction adapts seamlessly between fine dust and larger debris like pet food, reducing manual intervention. The intuitive LED display tracks battery life and maintenance alerts, and the lightweight design simplifies portability. Though top-heavy when extended, the vacuum transitions smoothly to handheld mode for detailed cleaning, supported by a practical wall-mounted dual charger.